Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine. So while I was shooting my official book haul of 2021, the first book haul, I received this parcel from Lock the Box by Book Chor. So I'm going to be showing you what all I got inside the box. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please take some time and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also click the bell icon for my future uploads. So without further ado, let's get started. So this box is basically for 1000 rupees. That is the minimum. So I have picked like 8 books, which I think is not very affordable because the price of the box as well as the shipping made me a little bit sad because the delivery charge was $499, which is I think 50% of the box's price, which I was really disappointed. But I really want to pick the titles which I picked inside the box, and I had no other option just to pick the box. So I think if you haven't heard about Lock the Box sale, it's basically conducted by Book Chor, who sells a lot of new and pre-owned books. I really like the conditions of all the books which I got from Book Chor, and I was looking forward for the Lock the Box sale. I think from last year, because last year I was not able to kind of go for the sale, but this time it was conducted online. That's the first thing which I was very happy about. But then we couldn't pick a lot of variety. They specified that they were like 1 million copies from which you can select, but as it was online, it made us very irritated. The first thing which made me irritated was the thing that I couldn't pick a lot of genres. I just was able to browse through a particular genre. This is, I think, literature and fiction from which I picked. The second one is that the delivery charge, which was around $499, which made me so much disappointed as well as irritated. I thought of dropping this box, but the titles inside were kind of good, as well as I think the total price would sum up to around 3,500. So I think why not give it a try, because each book would cost 180 rupees if I calculate it on an average. So I'm kind of like, I have like mixed feelings. I'm happy about the box, at the same time I'm sad about the delivery charge. So coming back to the Lock the Box event, so they conduct book fairs yearly, and this time due to the pandemic, I think they were not able to conduct, and they came out with the online thing, and I was really excited for it. And I think they had around 10 days time for this event, and they have 3 boxes totally. The first box I think is Odysseus box, the second one is Perseus box, and third one is Hercules box. I think I'm correct. I'll drop something on the screen about the box's information. And the first box, the smallest and the cheapest box, is for 1000 rupees. The second one is for 1500, and third one is for 2500. As this is my first time with the event, I wanted to go with the lowest price, which is for 1000 rupees, and I'm quite happy with it because I thought that I could make it up to 11 books while filling the box, but I picked 2 huge books, like thick books, so I was able to fit in only 8 books. So let's see what all I have inside the box. The first thing I see is 2 very pretty bookmarks, so very thankful for 2 bookmarks. Starting off with the first book, which made me very happy, is a hardcover, and that is You Cannot Go Home Again by Sarwat Hazin. So this is one of the book which I had wishlisted for many times on Amazon and Flipkart, but I think every time I wishlisted, either because of the price or because of the availability, I end up buying some other book. So I'm very happy about this book, and I've seen like very good reviews about this book, and I'm very happy with the hardcover. As you can see, the color looks very pretty, and the book looks brand new. I think most of the books inside the box looks brand new. The next book is a follow-up of one of the book called A Murder on Malabar Hill. So I really wanted to read that book, but I got this book only from the sale, so I was really happy, and I thought, okay, I'll pick that book later. So this is The Satapur Moonstone by Sujata Messe. So I really loved the cover of the book, and I totally loved the other cover as well. And I read the blurb of the book because of the cover, and I totally loved it. It's a murder mystery, I guess, and I think it will be a great read. This book looks brand new, and the price of this book is 400, and the price of You Can't Go Home Again is 500 rupees. The next book is one of my favorite author, The Timekeeper by Mitch Albom. The book looks brand new. I have no idea about this book. I picked this book just because of the author, because I have 3 books from the author. One is Tuesdays with Morrie, which is a highly acclaimed book, and I really look forward in reading that book very soon in 2021. My sister has that book, and that's the only reason I am procrastinating in reading the book, because she never gives her books like me. So I'm really very excited, and I kind of have no idea what the book is about, but I think the author writes brilliantly, so I'm looking forward to this. The next book is from one of my favorite black author, and also from one book which I loved in the year of 2020, and I really wanted to buy this book just after I finished the first book. That is On the Come Up by Angie Thomas. So I read The Hate You Give by the author, and I totally loved the book. I have no words, and I have a complete review on my Instagram page. If you are not following me there, please do follow and read the review and let me know your thoughts. And if you have read this book, please let me know your thoughts. So that book was very heart-wrenching, and I totally loved the book. So looking forward in reading this book, and I really love the cover of the book, because the first cover I expected from The Hate You Give was this one, but I got another cover which I'll put it here so that you can see. So I'm very happy with the cover, and the book looks brand new. So this book is priced for 400, and The Timekeeper is priced for, I think this one is priced for 300, because it's specified in euro, so it's not specified in rupees. So, that's the book is from the author Amitav Ghosh, which is The Glass Palace. This is one of the thickest books which I picked in the box, and that's why I could pick only 8 books. So I have no idea about this book, but I have read so many good reviews about this book and about the author. I already have the Calcutta Chromosome by the same author, which I am yet to read. I think I'll be probably reading it in March or April, let's see. And I'm really looking forward to this book as well. But I think this is a 600 pages book, no, 550 pages book, which I think will take 2 weeks long for me. I hope so, let's see. And I really like the cover of the book, and the quality also seems to be very new. The next book which I picked is Lyrebird by Cecilia Ahern. I really like the cover of the book, but I like the blue cover more, which I think I picked it in Higginbotham's. If you haven't watched that video, you can watch it on the iCards. I'll put it on the iCards. And I really didn't buy that book, but I was so excited to see the cover. I really liked it. I don't have any idea about this book. I just picked it because of the author, and I think I've read 2 or 3 reviews about this book on Instagram. But let's see how this book goes. This is an emotional love story with great heart. It's one of the reviews I think just great. The next book is from one of the famous authors, which I was so happy to pick in the sale. I saw very good authors lined up in this sale, and I really wanted to pick many, but due to some technical glitch, I couldn't pick them. But one book which I was very happy, which I'm very happy in now, is Us Against You by Frederick Backman. So I have the book A Man Called O, which I'm planning to read very soon in January or February, probably in February, and I'm looking forward to put this book after February, after reading A Man Called O, because that is one of the most anticipated best reads of 2020 of many booktubers and bookstagrammers. So I really want to read that book, and I have no idea about this book. I bought it just because of the author. I was excited to see this book on the sale, and I picked it without a second thought. The last book which made me to buy only 8 books in the box is Shantaram by Gregory David Roberts. So I have seen 2 to 3 good reviews about this book, and some people had mixed reviews about this book, but when I read the blurb on Goodreads before ordering this book, I was really taken back, and I wanted this book. And this is a huge thick book. I think this is around 1000 pages, I guess. No, 935 pages, which is close to 1000 or 950 at least, and I don't know how I'm going to finish it. And this one has a review saying a literary masterpiece. It has a grit and pace of a thriller. So excited to read it. And I don't really remember the blurb right now. I'm just reading it. So the book looks brand new, but the fonts is very small. I'm just seeing that and kind of scared when I will start and when I will finish. Let's see. Alia and Ria has to make me and give me time to read this book. I hope so. So let's see how it goes. So that's the last book in Lock the Box sale. So this box was I think arranged horizontally. If it was arranged vertically, it had space for one more book, which can be a 200 to 300 pages book. And that's the only thing which disappointed me, because if it was offline, I think I could have packed 11 books, at least 10 books. So that's the only thing I'm really sad about, because the total price of the book came up to 1498, so probably 180 rupees for each book. So I think it's not a very great deal, but for the titles which I've got, I think it's a great deal. So the price of this Us Against You is 400. The Glass Palace, I think it is 400 or 500, and Shantaram is also, I think, for 500 or 600, I guess. So I think it's a great deal, but I just wanted one more book, at least a 9 book in this box. So I hope that the pandemic ends soon and Lock the Box has another offline sale very, very soon. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram as well to read all of my book reviews. I'll be meeting you all in my next one. Till then, take care and stay tuned. Bye.